Hi and welcome to Hacks for Macs, where it's all about efficiency and how to get around your Mac faster and smarter. So let's say you have a bunch of files and want to check if this is the right one. You have to open it, and if it's the right one it's okay, but if not, you have to close the app and then check again. That's not very efficient. So let me show you a better way. Instead of opening your file, just select it in the Finder and press the spacebar. This opens a preview of your file. Now you can navigate through your files by just clicking on another one, or even use the arrow keys to go up and down and have a look at all the files you have. This works with text files, pictures, movies, audio files, basically any type of file where you can either hear or see something. To close the preview, just hit the spacebar again.